my dear friends. Today let us start a new chapter in class 9 mathematics. Let's see what do we have here in chapter 12, which states Heron's formula. So I'll not go into who was Heron's, what did he do, and all those are, I believe, will be written in books. You can check the net also if you want to learn more about who Heron was. So today we'll just see what do we have in this chapter. I'll just straight go to the content material. Now, as we all know, a triangle. We all know what is a triangle. So a triangle generally has three sides, A, B and C, and of course three vertex angles. So a triangle generally has three sides and three vertex angles, and we also know that the sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. These are the basic things that we know about a triangle. We also know that the perimeter of a triangle is simply addition of all the sides, that is AB plus BC plus AC. So these are some small concepts that we know about what is a triangle. Then we also know area of a triangle. The most common formula that we know is half into base into height. So now, for example, if this was the perpendicular height for this triangle, that is, let's say D, let us say that A is just the side, capital C here, and D is the point, this one. So in that case, our formula will be half into base will be BC into height will be AD. So this is the most common formula that we use for area of a triangle. Some more triangles we have, like that is area of equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side squared. Then of course we have area of isosceles triangles, and in trigonometry also we get more formulas based on area of triangle. And also, now what happens here in this chapter is Heron actually developed another formula. He developed another formula because every time it is not possible that we will be able to find out the height of a triangle. We may have sometimes a triangle where height is not given. Same triangle ABC with sides A, B and C, where the triangle height is not given. So in that case, what are we going to do? Every time our triangle may not be an equilateral triangle where all the sides are same. So in that case, all the sides may be different scaling triangles. So in that case, what can we do? So in order to have like more tools, in your arsenal to develop more, to have more tools, that is like to have more formulas to find out area of triangle, that is, if one formula doesn't work out, okay, we can go to the other formula and try, and if we cannot do that, okay, we can go to the other formula and try. So these are all formulas and tools which were developed by ancient mathematicians to when they came across different problems, different varieties of triangles. So here we have another formula to find out area of triangle, which is called the Heron's formula, and he states that area of a triangle whose sides are ABC, as it is mentioned here, area of triangle ABC will be given by root over of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where the small letters A, B and C denote the respective sides of a triangle, and S here actually denotes the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now, what do we mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. This one, A, B and C. Semi means half, so S will represent that. Means first you will find out S, and after that only we'll go to proceed to find out the area of a triangle. So this is what the Heron's formula gives us. So we'll not discuss much details. Let's just try one example, that is to find the area of a triangle whose sides are, let's say, 60 meter, 100 meter and 140 meter. Let's try solution. So let us just assume, let A 60 meter, B 100 meter, C 140 meters. So let's first find out the semi-perimeter, that is S. That's going to be A plus B plus C divided by 2. So A 60 meter plus 100 meter plus 140 meter divided by 2. So that will be 100, 200, 300 meter divided by 2. That will be 150 meters. So once we have our S, we can find out area of triangle. The formula will be S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So what is S? We have 150. I'll not write down the unit, I'll write down the unit area. So I'll just write down the unit at one go. Of course, if you want, let's try like 150 meter. 150 meter minus 60 meter. A is 60 as we have written. 150 minus B. What was the value of B? 100 meter, and C 140. 150 meter minus 140 meter. So that will be 150 meter into, this is going to be how much? I believe 90 meter into this will be 50 meter, and this will be 10 meter. So like there are different ways to solve. For me, of course, I'll just solve like, I can see this is square root. That means one pair you take one out. Na duita ra ekta ekta hola na square root. To yata ma charta zero dikhi ase to moi to alag likhi dibo like 1 2 3 4 na 1 2 3 4 nijor oporte ase nijor style bara simplify koribo hale dangor number hoise gole to factorize koribole diktar na. To 15 9 5 into 1. So it will simplify koribole be easy. So 15 though, of course I'll just 15 to 3 5s are 15. So 3 into 5, 9 to 3 into 3 into 5 into 1 to ni likhi jabo ko kam nai. 1 2 3 4 meter power 4 hoise gole square root pa do square root pa pahar le jole to pahar likhibo laibo de 2 likhi jole na. So from a pair ekta yati barbe ekta यदि चारटा जीरो से तो ओलाई गले दुईटा जीरो तो लास्ट की बची যাব रूट 3 কারণে इतु दुईटा ते दुईटा बरा एकटा यदि दुईटा बरा एकटा तो लास्ट 3 तो बची जाছে না আর 0 তো চারটা जीरो আছে তো তাতে দুইটা ওলাবো. So that will be 3 5s are 15 into 100, that is 1500 root over of 3 meters square. So this is quite a very productive way to simplify, to find out the area of a triangle if you have all the sides of a triangle. So this is also just one formula which we will be, so basically in this chapter 12, we'll be focusing completely on this Heron's formula. So it's a very simple chapter. Just get accustomed with the formulas as early as possible. That is like practice well. So during this lockdown period, don't sit idle at home, don't waste your time, do something like your brain should always be active, like do learn or practice, so that when the lockdown period is over, hopefully it will be over very soon, when it will be all over, your brain will not be rusted, like you will be still fresh, eager to go back to studies. So we wish you all the luck, and if you need any problems, please tell us. We will try to solve your problems. Thank you from the team of Teach Nagaland.